Hello kids, welcome to another fun class with Miss Beauty. Today's class promises to be very interesting. Today's topic is how do cricket chirp? Have you ever noticed a sharp sound in the cool of the dark? It sounds like something is singing no stop in the bushes, right? Do you know what makes that sharp noise? The sound is from this little guy here, cricket. A cricket is a nocturnal insect with antennas and two pairs of wings. The antennas are used to smell and to touch. Nocturnal insects are active insects at night. A cricket is often dark brown or black. Cricket lives in bushes, trees, and grasses, and nearly anywhere they can hide from predators. Predators are often bigger animals that feed on smaller animals like crickets. Animals like frogs, snakes, and spiders enjoy eating crickets. Crickets use chirps to communicate with each other. Usually, only male crickets chirp. They chirp by rubbing their front wings together. They have different chirping sound. The most common chirp is used to attract females. Female crickets don't chirp. Kids, you're going to see a video describing how a male cricket chirp by rubbing its front wings together. Watch attentively. I'll be back.
Ever notice how a quiet summer evening is actually pretty noisy? It's mostly these guys. Crickets clearly have a lot to say. That familiar, persistent chirp is an advertisement meant to get the attention of her. It's his mating call. So, how is he actually making the sound? Check this out. On the underside of his wings, there's this little line of tiny microscopic teeth, all in a row. It's called the file. His wings also have a hard edge, right here, called the scraper. When he rubs his wings together, the scraper on the bottom wing grates across all those teeth on the top wing. Researchers call it stridulation. Here it is slowed down. His wing strokes happen faster than your eye can see. For this species, about 8 wing strokes in a single chirp. But not every chirp has amorous intentions. If a male runs into another male, he also has an angry-sounding rivalry call. He's saying, "Hey, this is my turf." Okay, back to business, drawing in the ladies. She looks a lot like the males, except she has this long, pointy ovipositor right here that she uses to lay her eggs underground. Oh, also, she can't chirp. Her wings don't have the same musical instruments that his do. She just listens to the serenade with her ears, which are on her front legs. That's one right there. It's called a tympanum.
Hope you all enjoyed that video, cause I did. Here is a brief summary of the video. 1. Cricket chirp by rubbing their front wings together. 2. Only male cricket chirp, females don't. 3. Crickets use chirps to communicate with each other. 4. Female crickets can only hear the chirping sound with their ears, which is located in their front legs. 5. Crickets chirp for different purposes. The most common chirp is to attract females. Remember that crickets have a pair of antennas which they use to smell and touch. Cricket lives in bushes, trees, grasses, and nearly anywhere they can hide from predators. Predators are bigger animals that feed on smaller ones. Examples of animals that prey on crickets are snakes, spiders, and even frogs. They enjoy eating crickets. So whenever you hear the chirping sound from your bushes, always remember that the sound comes from the little guys called crickets. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Have a nice day. Bye.